अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ एमसीक्यूज़ के पार्ट 8 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच सूरा इज़ नोन एज द हार्ट ऑफ द कुरान? ऑप्शन ए सूरह फातिहा, ऑप्शन बी सूरह बकरा, ऑप्शन सी सूरह यासीन, ऑप्शन डी सूरह रहमान। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी सूरह यासीन. Surah Yasin is referred to as the heart of Quran due to its emphasis on the message of Tawheed, prophethood, and the afterlife. Question number 2 is, what was the name of the first battle fought by the Muslim? Option A, Battle of Uhud. Option B, Battle of Khyber. Option C, Battle of Badr. Option D, Battle of Hunain. The correct answer is option C, Battle of Badr. The Battle of Badr, fought in 2 AH, was the first major battle between the Muslim and the Quraysh. Question number 3 is, what is the Islamic term for charity that is non-obligatory? Option A, zakat. Option B, sadaqah. Option C, khams. Option D, fidya. The correct answer is option B, sadaqah. Sadaqah is a voluntary charity given beyond the required zakat. It can be in the form of money, kind words, or any beneficial act. Question number 4 is, what is the name of angel of death in Islam? Option A, Israfil. Option B, Israel. Option C, Jibrail. Option D, Rizwan. The correct answer is option B, Israel. Israel is the angel assigned to take the souls of the deceased at the time of death as a part of Allah's command. Question number 5 is, which prophet is known for his ability to interpret dreams? Option A, Musa alayhi salam. Option B, Ibrahim alayhi salam. Option C, Yusuf alayhi salam. Option D, Isa alayhi salam. The correct answer is option C, Yusuf alayhi salam. Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam was gifted by Allah with the ability to interpret dreams, which played a key role in his life story and eventual rise to power in Egypt. Question number 6 is, what is the significance of Surah Ikhlas? Option A, talks about the day of judgment. Option B, describes the Prophet's journey. Option C, declares the oneness of Allah. Or lists the rules of fasting. The correct answer is option C, declares the oneness of Allah. Surah Al-Ikhlas, chapter 112, is a short chapter that beautifully defines Tawheed, the absolute oneness of Allah. Question number 7 is, who built the ark to save his followers from the flood? Option A, Ibrahim alayhi salam. Option B, Nuh alayhi salam. Option C, Lut alayhi salam. Option D, Shuaib alayhi salam. The correct answer is option B, Nuh alayhi salam. Prophet Nuh alayhi salam built the ark on Allah's command to save himself and the believers from the great flood that destroyed disbelievers. Question number 8 is, how many wives did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, have during his lifetime? Option A, 9. Option B, 7. Option C, 11. Option D, 13. The correct answer is option C, 11. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, had 11 wives in total. Question number 9 is, what is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Option A, Ramadan. Option B, Safar. Option C, Muharram. Option D, Rabiul Awwal. The correct answer is option C, Muharram. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar and is one of 4 sacred months in which fighting is prohibited. Last question is, what is the name of the black stone set in the corner of the Kaaba? Option A, Hajar al-Maqam. Option B, Rukn al-Yabni. Option C, Hajar al-Aswad. Option D, Maqam Ibrahim. The correct answer is option C, Hajar al-Aswad. Hajar al-Aswad, a black stone, is set in the eastern corner of the Kaaba and is kissed or touched during tawaf as a part of the pilgrimage rituals. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह के मजीद एमसीक्यूज़ के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट mymcqs.net विजिट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।